Rhythm of monsoon-like rain in Mapusa on 16th October 2024 evening 8:30 p.m. I'm recording here. Officially the monsoon has retreated, but the rains because of some disturbance in Bay of Bengal and low pressure area in Arabian Sea, which is dangerous. We are getting these rains. The observatory will say these are convective rains, but they are not convective rains. These are because of low pressure area. These are post-monsoon rains. These post-monsoon rains are very interesting. Whole town is getting showered. And we are waiting for winter to approach. The Diwali festival is just 2 weeks away.